How does the temperature originate in the atmosphere? Climate science teaches us that greenhouse gases, which make up 0.04% of the air, are responsible for the increase in air temperature, because they absorb infrared, and send it back, causing a phenomenon called the greenhouse effect. This explanation has a big problem. It ignores that all the molecules in the atmosphere emit infrared radiation, because they are at the same temperature. Now, the heat gas on the planet is oxygen because 1. Oxygen is used in industrial furnaces to increase temperatures from 900 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius. 2. Without oxygen there would be no fire. When oxygen drops from 21% to 14%, fire is not possible. 3. Without oxygen, cars and planes would not work, due to lack of combustion. How do we explain air temperature with oxygen? The oxygen in the air, when it absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun, becomes an electrical conductor, therefore heat is generated in the air. The evidence that oxygen absorbs ultraviolet, we see it when we look at the atmosphere with a UV camera. We see that oxygen absorbs this radiation, and to confirm it, we have to look at the absorption spectrum of air molecules, where we observe that oxygen absorbs a lot of UV radiation. Furthermore, in the ionosphere, where there is 1% oxygen, the temperature reaches 1500 degrees Celsius. In the stratosphere, where there is 19% oxygen, the temperature increases from -60 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, and ozone originates. How is the increase in temperature explained? According to NASA, ultraviolet radiation has increased on the planet, and if ultraviolet radiation increases, this will also increase the temperature. Conclusion: the heat in the air is caused by the absorption of ultraviolet radiation by oxygen in its atmosphere.